Welcome everyone to another exciting video. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of screen recording using OBS, a powerful free and open source software compatible with Linux, Mac, and Windows. In my opinion, OBS stands out as one of the finest screen recording applications available. Its versatility and extensive configuration options make it a top choice. Additionally, OBS exports recordings in the widely compatible MP4 format, making it seamless to work with various video editing software. Let's jump right in and get started. To begin, we need to add a source. Simply click on the plus sign below and select Display Capture. This feature allows you to record any of your available displays. If you have multiple monitors, choose the one you wish to capture. After clicking OK, a list of available monitors will appear. Select the one you are currently working on, and don't worry if there's a mirrored effect. My apologies for that inconvenience. Once you've chosen the correct monitor, click OK again. Now let's proceed to the next step. In the Sources section, click on Video Capture Device and press OK. Within this menu, you can select the device you want to use. Since I'm using a laptop with a USB webcam attached, I can choose either the laptop's built-in webcam or the USB webcam. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll select the built-in webcam, as I'm currently utilizing the other one to record this video. As you can see, a preview of the video appears, and you can move and resize it on the screen to your preference. I'll make it slightly smaller and position it in the bottom right corner. Feel free to position it wherever you like, be it the top right, top left, or any other location. Personally, I find the bottom right corner to be ideal. Once you've adjusted the webcam position, I recommend checking the audio levels in the Mixer tab to ensure a proper recording. Ensure all the volumes are satisfactory, and that's perfect. Now, you have a fully set up scene that encompasses both screen recording and embedding the webcam. This setup is all you need to start recording a tutorial. To initiate the recording, click on Start Recording at the bottom. When you're ready to end the recording, click on Stop Recording. Simple as that. Before we wrap up, I'd like to delve into the settings, which I consider crucial. Click on the gear icon to access the settings menu. Here, you can modify various aspects, including scenes and outputs. In the Output tab, you can choose the recording path where all the recordings will be saved. Additionally, you can select the recording format. Although I mentioned earlier that MP4 is the preferred format, there's an additional step involved. We'll opt for the MKV format because in the event of an application crash while recording, you won't lose the entire video. Saving it as an MKV file ensures you have a copy of the recording up until the point of the crash. Afterward, you can quickly convert the MKV file to an MP4 format using OBS. Once you've made the changes, click OK to proceed. Let's perform a quick test recording to demonstrate how to convert an MKV file to an MP4 format effortlessly. To convert the MKV file, go to File, then Remux Recordings. Browse and select the file you wish to convert. In this case, it's the highlighted one. Click on Remux and voila! You now have both the original MKV file and an MP4 version of your recording. This demonstrates how simple it is to record your computer screen using OBS for free. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll respond as soon as possible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel for more insightful tutorial videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time.